Hell's Chain 560 High Taper versus Unicorn Sting 560 Gear Point. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Robin or Bird Kazami versus Uninamba or Uninaniwa, I think. And yeah, this battle actually did happen in the anime, but I'm going to recreate it in real life. So let's start the battle. Before we get started, I want to say, if you want to support this channel and get Beyblades for yourself, please go to some of the links in the description. Some of the links lead you to Beyblade sites like Mall of Toys and Bays and Bricks. And for all those links, they're actually meant to kind of support the community, and you can also support the channel in the process whenever you buy from those sites. So if you want to support me in a financial way, you can use my coupon code or click the links in the description. The coupon code is called the Legendary R. 5% off on Mall of Toys, 7% off on Bays and Bricks, and 10% off on bulk dominoes. So if you want any of those things, then feel free to go to the links in the description, or just basically use those coupon codes at checkout for those discounts. And if you want to support me in a non-financial way, you can like, comment, share, subscribe. All those things help a lot. So thank you, I appreciate it. And my new subscriber goal, since we reached 3,000 subscribers recently, thank you so much for that. I'm on to my next goal, which is 4,000 subscribers. So let's get to it. And now, let's continue the video. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Unicorn Sting takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Lots of chaos happening. It's coming down to a wire. Unicorn Sting isn't looking too good. And Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, okay. Unicorn Sting takes that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. This is a weird battle. Okay, let's see who wins. And Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Unicorn Sting is doing his best, but will that be enough? Hell's Chain is holding on. And Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Unicorn Sting is tipping over, and Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! It's coming down to a wire. Really seems like Unicorn Sting just uses up all of his stamina in the first few seconds. And Unicorn Sting takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa. Unicorn Sting is doing his best. Hell's Chain is holding on. And Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Hell's Chain takes that round with the over finish. Three, two, one, go shoot! Unicorn Sting isn't giving up. Hell's Chain is just holding on. And Unicorn Sting goes down. Hell's Chain takes that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Really big hits from both Beyblades. Hell's Chain is holding on. Unicorn Sting is trying its best. And that looks like a draw. I have no idea who won. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Unicorn Sting is still trying despite having low stamina. Will Hell's Chain get another win? And Hell's Chain takes the win with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa. Big hits. Unicorn Sting scraping. Now let's see who wins. Unicorn Sting takes the round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Hell's Chain takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Both Beyblades tipping over, and Unicorn Sting takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh! Unexpected burst finish. Hell's Chain takes that round with the burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Hell's Chain is hitting really hard with the extreme dash. Well, many extreme dashes. Unicorn Sting is holding on. Will it be able to take the win? And it can't. Hell's Chain takes that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! It's coming down to a wire. Let's see who wins. And Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. Okay, so I don't know which way I had the Beyblades. I think it might have been this way. I don't know. Either way, yeah, that battle was really interesting. I have no idea what to really say because it really feels like both Beyblades were just kind of. It's kind of like it really felt like Unicorn Sting just used all the stamina in the first half of the battle, and then just struggled near the latter half. And then for Hell's Chain, it really always seems like it was. It seems like with Hell's Chain and all the Hell series Beyblades, they seem to be perfect at drawing out battles. So this battle is really drawn out, and yeah, it was interesting. So, I'll announce the winner now. Your winner is Hell's Chain 560 High Taper. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary, not real legendary.